Is the key to building wealth simply putting money away, or is it about how you invest that money? The truth is, it's both. And in Canada, the smart way to do it is by using tax-advantaged accounts like TFSAs, RRSPs, and RESPs. But navigating the rules and making them all work together can feel like a financial puzzle. That's where Wealthsimple comes in, making it effortless to integrate these powerful tools into one seamless platform. Let's start with the TFSA, or tax-free savings account. Think of it as your all-purpose, flexible investment vehicle. Wealthsimple allows you to open a TFSA and fill it with a wide range of investments, from stocks and ETFs to a simple savings account. The magic here is that any growth you see, and any withdrawals you make, are completely tax-free. It's the perfect account for short-term goals like a new car or a down payment on a house, but it's also a powerhouse for long-term growth. Wealthsimple simplifies this by tracking your contribution room for you, so you don't have to worry about over-contributing and getting hit with penalties. Next up, the RRSP, the Registered Retirement Savings Plan. This is your dedicated retirement account. With Wealthsimple, you can easily set up an RRSP and contribute to it, which immediately lowers your taxable income for the year. The money you put in grows tax-deferred until you withdraw it in retirement, ideally when you're in a lower tax bracket. Wealthsimple's platform makes it simple to automate these contributions, so you can set it and forget it, knowing you're consistently building your nest egg. Finally, the RESP, the Registered Education Savings Plan. This account is designed for one of the most important investments of all, your child's future education. Wealthsimple helps you open an RESP and, here's the best part, it automatically applies for the government grants for you, like the Canada Education Savings Grant. This means you get free money added to your account, compounding alongside your own contributions. It's a powerful way to supercharge your savings for post-secondary education. The real genius of Wealthsimple is how these accounts work together. You can see all of your TFSA, RRSP, and RESP accounts in one place, giving you a holistic view of your financial life. You can seamlessly transfer funds between them, monitor your performance, and use their tools to ensure you're making the most of each account's unique tax advantages. It takes the complexity out of smart investing and puts you in control. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.